Hi guys, good morning all of you. Welcome back to CAP classes. Today I am extremely happy to announce the upcoming batches for December 21 exam going students. So for all those who are writing CA Intermediate and CA IPCC, we have a crash course, especially for group 2 all the subjects. We have a live crash course. So nowadays, after this COVID pandemic, students are, of two extremely different types. One category of students says, sir, if you give recorded backup, we'll be lazy. But if live class is there, it will be interactive, it will be interesting, and based on time, we'll complete the syllabus. So I want to attend live classes. Some other category of students says, sir, I am articles going student, tax audit season is there, and I will not be able to come to my home before 7 o'clock. So I need to get only recorded classes, sir. For the benefit of both the students, we are doing complete live classes with recorded backup. So it is a live class. If you miss the class, you can see the recorded backup also. And also with payment of nominal fee, you can get the recordings till your examination. Not just backup for 1 day, 2 days. You can get it up to the date of your examinations. December 6th is the exam date, right? So till completion of exams, that means up to December end, you can get the access also. And this time we have very innovatively, very carefully prepared the schedule so that it will be suitable and it will be useful for all the students. For example, many students want to attend my FM crash course. Okay, but they have different, choices. They have different conditions. So they used to ask, Pavan sir, I want to have a crash course like this, and all. So what we have done is, say for example, I'll give you one small example. Okay. If you are thinking of attending FM crash, this time what we have done, only Sunday batch. That means Sunday morning 9 o'clock to 1 o'clock, 8 Sundays FM completely will be covered. Isn't it a beautiful thing? So first day we'll have leverages, second day we'll have ratio analysis. Since this is a revision class, you'll be able to easily cope up with that. In this 4 hours, if you have already attended my classes, you know how I teach conceptually, and also, we'll start very slowly and then we'll start playing T20 by the end, isn't it? So 20 problems will be covered in each section, 20 problems. So 8 sessions will be there, only Sunday batch, and you can complete the full syllabus. So whether you are an article student or whatever the category of student you are, Sunday will be most suitable for you. And this is a crash course on financial management. Considering the pandemic, to price competitively, we are giving early bird discount wherein you can get 40 to 50% discount. So you can get FM classes only for 3,000 rupees. This is much lower than how we used to charge in the previous batches. And if you are looking for strategic management, again the beauty, only Saturday batch. So attend 8 Saturdays, 8 chapters are there, 8 Saturdays. Even for old syllabus student, new syllabus student, it is same. Okay, because in FM there are 2 new chapters for new syllabus, that's all. In SM and auditing also, 85% of syllabus will be same. So for old syllabus students, we'll take classes separately for exclusive old. For new syllabus students, we'll take exclusive new. Common topics will be there 80%. That will take for both the students put together. And strategic management also, only Saturdays. We are starting the batch from 25th September. From that day, every Saturday you need to attend the class 6:30 to 9:30 p.m. So that even if you are working or even if you are article assistant also, this time will be suitable for you. So in 8 weekends, you can complete this. Then comes auditing and assurance. These classes are only Sundays and Mondays evening. Sunday evening 6:30 to 9:30 class will be there. Monday evening 6:30 to 9:30 class will be there. Like that, every week you will have 2 classes. Every week you will have 2 classes, and it is a 48-hour crash course with 100% syllabus coverage. 100% syllabus coverage. We try to complete 100% syllabus if at all, God forbid, if at all, one topic we are unable to cover in the, 1 or 2 topics we are unable to cover in the class, that will be given as free recorded backup. So we'll create a folder and we'll give the access to you absolutely free of cost if it cannot be covered in the class. Then comes our advanced accounting crash. So as all of you know, in every batch, I am more known for advanced accounting and FM. So there will be so many inquiries, so many admissions for students for advanced accounting subject. So this is also Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, evening 6:30 to 9:30. That means 3 days a week. If you attend, you can complete advanced accounting till November itself. In the first and second weeks of November itself, we are completing the classes so that you will have 1 month after completion of classes also. So if you are joining for all the subjects put together, this will be the schedule. So look at the schedule. We are starting the batch on 25/9. Here it is there, and we are completing on 15/11. 15/11 is the tentative date of completion. Okay, and Sundays FM, all other days SM, auditing, advanced accounting. So number of hours totally approx 170 to 180 hours of teaching will be there, and the fee is very competitive. Previously we used to charge 6,000 plus GST for one paper, but COVID pandemic is there everywhere. Competition and even the payment ability of parents is less, and also when you are joining crash batch, probably you might have completed coaching and your father or mother might have paid already fee. So considering all these things, we have given 50% discount. Advanced accounting, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, 63 hours coaching, 100% syllabus coverage, material will be given to you, 3,500 plus GST. For all the subjects, auditing and assurance, strategic management, financial management, multicolor material will be given. MCQ bank will be given for advanced audit and assurance and strategic management, and free mock test also will be conducted in full syllabus along with evaluation. So you will write exam also. So this advanced accounting, auditing, strategic management and FM total combo is available for 12,000 plus GST. And if you want, Pavan sir, I want EFF and EIS, we have a very good faculty, CA Pavan sir. He is associated with our CAP classes. So his classes you can get. As of now, we have recorded classes, but based on the admissions, if we do have good number of admissions for his classes, he is ready to teach live also for you. So he has live batch also. Based on the admissions, we'll see. So these are the details. So what are you waiting for? If you are looking for any crash course, you can please contact us on the number given. And also if any of your friends are looking for crash course, or looking for last minute revisions or concept based exam oriented classes, please do refer them, and these are the details given. Again, I'm telling you, the classes will be 100% in English. The classes are given with 50% discount, almost, considering the financial condition of many people, and it is prepared in such a way that even article student, working students also can easily do that. Classes are scheduled only and only from evening 6:30 to 9:30 every day, and Sundays morning 9 to 1 FM batch will be there. If you are looking for only one subject, it will be only 1 or 2 days in a week. 100% syllabus will be covered, materials will be given, and if you miss the class by any chance, recorded backup also will be given. Again, I'm repeating, you'll have to write the exams also. We will evaluate and will give you the evaluated answer sheet along with suggested answers also. Okay, so please share this news. Thank you so much. If you want, please contact us. Thank you.